Today I'm going to teach you how to extract emails using Apollo.io. This is a powerful tool for building targeted contact lists, whether you're reaching out to potential clients, recruiting, or conducting market research. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open a new browser tab and type in Apollo.io in the address bar. This will take you directly to the Apollo website. Once you're there, look at the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the login button. Click on it to access your account. After entering your credentials and logging in, you'll be redirected to the Apollo dashboard, which is your command center for all contact extraction activities. Now that you're in the Apollo dashboard, let's start the email extraction process. Direct your attention to the left navigation menu. This is where all your main tools and options are housed. Within this menu, locate the section labeled Prospect and Enrich. Here you'll see two primary options, People and Companies. Click on whichever option aligns with your goal. If you're looking to extract individual contacts, select People. If you're after company information, choose Companies. Once you click your selection, a filter panel will appear on your screen. This is where you'll define the specific criteria for the contacts you want to scrape. Take your time filling out these filters as they determine the quality and relevance of your results. You can specify things like job titles, locations, industries, company size, and more depending on your needs. After you've set up your filters and the results have populated on your screen, it's time to select the contacts you want to extract. Browse through the list and choose the contacts that match what you're looking for. Keep in mind that the number of contacts you can select may vary depending on your Apollo subscription plan. Once you've made your selections, click on Apply. You'll notice a menu appearing at the top of your screen. From this menu, click on Export to begin the extraction process. An export window will now appear with several important options. Here's where Apollo gives you control over the quality of data you're extracting. You'll see checkboxes that let you choose whether to include verified emails, unverified emails, or even contacts where email information is missing. Simply click the checkboxes for the categories you want to include, then click Next to proceed to the export options. In this final stage, you'll configure how you want your data delivered. Click on Export as CSV to download your contact list in a spreadsheet format. You'll also see radio buttons that let you choose between exporting all emails or only verified ones. This is an important decision. Verified emails have been confirmed as active and are more reliable for outreach campaigns. Once you've made your selection and you're satisfied with all your settings, click on Save. Apollo will now process your request and prepare your CSV file for download. And there you have it. You've successfully extracted a targeted email list using Apollo.io. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.